There was a time when the vegetables were cheap. People used to preserve the vegetables, especially like tomatoes, cauliflower. All you need to do is cut them and dry them. So here, look at this. This is cauliflower which have been dried for 5 days in sunlight. No salt added, nothing. Now look at the cauliflower, and my dog is wandering around in my farm kitchen here. And look at this cauliflower. Once they are dried, all you need to do is just put it in the boiling water. That's when this cauliflower will refresh itself and you can make some fantastic dishes. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another farm to plate kitchen here in my farm. So I have soaked the cauliflower. You can add to direct boiling water and just boil it in the water, and they will refresh and they will become nice and perfect. Though the color may be a little bit off, but this cauliflower will taste so good. Especially nowadays, the cauliflower you can buy a bag for 100 rupees. Just get them, just put it in nice, soak it in water, wash it thoroughly and cut into small pieces and dry it for 5 days. Once they are boiled for 2 minutes, look at this cauliflower, just remove the water because we are going to kind of shallow fry this cauliflower and also some boiled potatoes, and this curry is going to be really awesome. And the beauty about this is the cauliflower, once they are dried and refreshed in the curry, they will taste as if you made a chicken curry. I know what I said is no for vegetarians, but for the non-vegetarian, helping them eat vegetarian food, this way. Ferrari, no, trust me, believe me, I am just making cauliflower, not chicken. Now you can get lost. Stinks with the smell. It is, I am making some chicken. In the hot oil, we are going to fry the potatoes which have been almost 50% boiled. This much of frying is enough for me. Just take the potatoes. Now they are like 100% done. Okay, look at them. You will get the aroma of freshly fried chips. So, and in the same thing, in the same oil, fry the cauliflower. So in this, if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt and add the pieces of cauliflower and slowly fry till it gets slightly colored. The cauliflower that has been slightly fried, remove it off. Wow. And in the same oil, we are going to do further cooking. In the hot oil, add red chili, mustard seeds. Now that you know how to refresh the dried cauliflower, you can use your own method and cook your favorite cauliflower recipe. In this, add a little bit of cumin and some finely cut onion. Now, you can make this into a gravy. You can make it like sukha sabji for your roti. Whichever way you want, you can do it. But since this cauliflower which has been refreshed gets some nice sun dried aroma which is very special, and also the fried potatoes with it will be very tasty. In this, add some curry leaf, green chili, turmeric and some ginger garlic paste. Mix it. In this, just pinch of flavor of hing, and you can add tomatoes. Since I have so much of cherry tomatoes in my farm, I am using it in salad and wherever possible. So some cut cherry tomatoes, in this we are going to add the masalas, the chili powder, the coriander powder, some cumin powder, pinch of garam masala, and add a little bit of water. And in this, I am adding melon seed paste, the tarbuz ka dana ka paste. In this, add the paste. You can also add cashew nut, almond, whichever one you want. That will give that additional thickening, or you can say the gravy coating for the cauliflower and potatoes. You can let the gravy cook till you see some of the oil floating on top. Now look at this, the gravy is getting slightly thicker. In this, add the potatoes. And the hero of the day today, the cauliflower. Okay, lot of cauliflower, and that's it. Your suka kind of it. You want to have the gravy, just lapetuing the coating this cauliflower and let it cook on a slow flame. When this is done, the taste is just too good. Top it up with freshly chopped coriander, lot of it. Okay, and keep cooking like this for another 3-4 minutes till it dries out more. I need to dry a little more. I have adjusted the salt to get that perfect taste, and now much of the moisture is disappeared, and look at it, nice and perfect. It's perfect for roti also and perfect for rice too. Switch off the flame and enjoy it. Look at this, beautiful. Aha. You know, a lot of people love the suka bhaji, the kind of fried looking kind of vegetables, and especially with this cauliflower and potatoes. This aloo gobi gets a totally true different meaning. I have learned this recipe from my Bihari friends who work in my farm, and they make this really excellent. And trust me, when you eat this with the roti or rice, you will actually feel you're eating something very special. I mean to say, like something like chicken curry. What I love about my Bihari friends is morning 7 o'clock, they keep the sabji ready and they make a lot of rice, and before coming to the farm, they eat belly full of nice sabji and rice. Always loaded like this. Dear friends, very, very special flavors for this recipe. Just by drying this cauliflower, it gets that special flavor. Dear friends, this is very, very special. Make it. Absolutely. Boomba bite. And the flavor, excellent. If you want, you can also add some chicken masala to this curry. Ah. And with these potatoes, excellent. Even I am growing potatoes in my farm along with the cauliflower and all that. So we're going to learn a lot of recipes with this dried cauliflower. Keep cooking. When you eat the best of the best food, keep saying vareva. Absolutely awesome.